Welcome back to this crash course series aimed to remotely connect Cal Poly students with basic needs resources. This episode will introduce you to food distribution sites. Meet sisters and full-time students, Rachel and Jordan. Rachel goes to Cuesta College and Jordan goes to Cal Poly. Since they work limited hours, they both rely on local food distribution sites to supplement their food supply. Lucky for these sisters, both Cal Poly and Cuesta College host a food distribution site once per month. At these distribution sites, the Food Bank Coalition of San Luis Obispo offers free groceries, including produce, protein sources, bread products, and shelf-stable goods. And these aren't the only two food distribution sites in San Luis Obispo County. Visit slowfoodbank.org to see a map of the many food distribution sites in our county. When Rachel and Jordan return to their hometown, they're able to access their county's food distribution sites. Our team has created a comprehensive list of food resources in the state of California, which you can find on our website and in the description below. For more information on Cal Poly's basic needs resources, visit basicneeds.calpoly.edu and click the link to continue watching other episodes in this crash course series.